fun to make things and to design things.
When I was in college, I had a hall monitor who was making jewelry, and he took me up to his studio one day to show me what he was doing. And I saw him melt some metal in a charcoal block, and I knew right then that I had to work with metal.
We've been here for 38 years, and at that time, when we first started, I was a potter.
I've always been a jeweler. I've been a jeweler since 1973.
Actually, I had been working a little bit in her studio, and metal was more fun. We both do the designing together. Over time, we've sort of specialized. We both do production, but I tend to do the larger pieces, and Carol tends to do the smaller things. So she's ended up doing more jewelry, and I do more mobiles.
We're challenging our customers to think of using jewelry in a precious way, but using non-precious materials.
Our design sense, Carol and I, they're pretty similar. We really haven't had major differences in our designs. I mean, we go back and forth. We just talk about it. We try it this way, that way, until it looks right, until it works. We've been asked to produce a large mobile for a cafeteria in the University of San Francisco.
That's the space we're given.
And so to do this project, we started by doing a small model. We do it in cardboard and soft wire so we can get a quick composition, and then we start making it larger.
And this mobile has to be about 25 feet in diameter, which is almost as big as our workspace alone. So we are experimenting with this scale, and we'll hang it on a pole long enough to try, and then it in half size, and then we will build it up from there. And we may have to take it to another studio space to actually
hang it up.
Yeah, so
we might be able to hang it here, but we won't be able to turn.
Right. So we're working on this new project, and this is the largest mobile that we've ever designed. The larger one before this was 14 feet, and this is a real challenge.
And then we go and we've started putting color in.
And when we do color, we've divided the mobile into small sections, and we'll try the color balance at different parts. So the balance is very important, and clothespins are a marvelous tool for us in our studio. Clothespins and masking tape are a very important tool, and we use it also to balance the pieces. Here you can see we've used clothespins
to balance it and hold it together.
Right.
Aluminum is a material that's very common. It's the most common metal in the Earth's crust. And so it's in everything. And it's nice to try and make something that is unusual out of something that is so ordinary.
We make a vote pin. Our customers have started conversations with the vote pins. One of our goals is to keep work inexpensive as much as possible and to keep it affordable. And so the challenge of designing jewelry is to work within those parameters. We have some limitations because it's aluminum. We can't solder it. It all has to be cold connections. And so that limits the kinds of styles that we do. And we have people who've collected quite a number of our pieces. So we have to keep coming up with new styles and new ideas.
The designs and just the creativity comes from working. As we make something, we get other ideas, and one idea leads to another, and so we just keep exploring. So it's just continual exploration that just keeps us going.